All right, guys, today I just want to have a quick run through on this build we did. Now, we fitted one of our XT 270-degree awnings on this Tropp Carrier. And what I really like seeing in the Tropp is this is probably one of the early model V8, so probably about a 2007, 2008. I'm guessing it's still got the older style dash in it, that flat dash with the round air vents. Now, sporting an ALB bull bar up the front, ALB intensity lights. And what I like seeing on the cars is when the guys start using a bit of their, whether it's a homemade do-it-yourself project or someone's just having a good old crack at designing products. We've got these stunning rock sliders on this, and I actually really like that, and it's one of the features I wanted to show you. They're angled in as well and really are designed for rock sliding, not so much as a standing platform. So being that angle, if you ledged up and leaned up against the rock, you can easily slide off the rock, as well as the back rear bar. That thing looks seriously bulletproof. I mean, you could drive over a big gum tree with that and you will be okay. So nice bit of extra work there. The door cards on the inside have been carpeted as well. So just super handy, practical use. You can always attach Velcroed items on there. And in the rear of the vehicle, we've got a set of custom drawers made up, as well as a drop-down stainless steel table. Now, one of our jobs, which is a bit trickier than most when installing, is fitting an awning to a basket-styled tradesman rack. So that's a mesh rack with the high lip running all the way around it as well. So what we do in this situation is we use our L brackets that are provided with our 270 Mark II awnings, and we basically bolt through the frame to try and give that real rigidity and extra support, as well as going underneath with one of our U-bolt brackets to basically sandwich the bracket in place. This stops a lot of the flexing and really secures that movement. Still super easy to open. Being a Tropp Carrier, they are extremely high, but you can go and open that up like that easily, with ease, even at such a height, vehicle at such a height. Open up your awning, carry it all the way around like this, and then clip it in. Now, we've just simply attached a carabiner clip onto the mesh on this side. So a little carabiner, tighten that up. Getting it nice and close to the vehicle does give you that waterproofing layer underneath the doors on the barn doors when you open them up to get access into the rear. Being a 270, which I do prefer on vehicles with the rear opening doors when you're working in and out the back, we've got that extra space at the back, a little bit of longer space at the back compared to the size. Adequate amount of shade, really heavy duty and in place. Guys, thanks for watching this quick vid and this rundown on this vehicle. For more information on our products, go to thebushcompany.com. Catch you later. Don't forget to go bush.